Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you are with me, Jackie Journey. Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Jackie Journey, Travel, Lifestyle and Fashion. In today's episode, you are with me and we are ready to unboxing another pair of Rickowens. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like and share this video. Today I'm going to make an unboxing of another pair which is Mega Bumpers from Rickowens. It also comes in size 41 as well as the previous one that I have unboxed before. So the package is identical. The package look exactly the same with Rickowens boxes. Very cool boxes, of course. It comes with the dust bag. Everything is similar in the same box. All of the accessories and laces and the bags, tote bags is the same except the shoes. Yes, you can see that they also have the gray tote bag for the Mega Bumpers pair. So I'm going to unbox the Mega Bumper pairs first, and then I'm going to tell you about the two of the sneakers, which is the Mega Bumpers and then the Calf Hair sneakers model. Both of the sneakers are the Ramones, but they have different detail when it comes to the Calf Hair skin or when it comes to the Mega Bumper, which has a thicker sole than the normal Ramones. Ta-da! Here we are. This one is the Mega Bumpers. You can see that the bumper is thicker than normal. Like the sole is like double than the other pair. Like this one is very thick and it's not like they glue it to each other like you have seen on the internet, but they actually made it in the same sole, but it's very thick, so that's very special. And surprisingly, I have tried it before. I didn't expect that this Mega Bumpers model would be so comfortable compared to the normal Ramones. Like the normal Ramones is this part of the heel. This part is tend to be a bit tight for me. And even I already have like size 40 normally, but I chose the size 41 because I think that maybe sometime in the winter times I put a thicker sock, so maybe 41 would fit me better. Some people recommended to do like one size down, but in my case 41, which is like one size bigger than what I normally wear. Normally I wear 40 and I think that 41 fits me perfectly, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to take the other pairs out and then you can see that it's looking very nice. The weight is kind of heavy. I don't know, maybe it's like around one, I'm not sure, could be like 1 to 2 kilograms, which is maybe a bit exaggerating, maybe like 1 to 1.5 kilograms, which is heavy for the pairs, right? But it's really good quality, so I'm totally in love with this, and it's really making me a hard time now because I don't know whether I prefer the Mega Bumpers or whether I prefer the Calf Hair Ramones, because initially, as you have seen in my previous videos, I talk about why I decided to buy the calf hair skin because I feel that it's quite special model. But now, since I have tried both, and I have to say that the Mega Bumpers is serving the look better than the normal Ramones. It's really giving me a hard time right now to decide, but I'm going to put it next to each other so that you can see the comparison side by side. So this box is for the Mega Bumpers. It's really heavy actually. Like I was holding with my one hand and then it's already feel heavy for me. So here we come the next one. I will put this one on the side. Here is another box of the previous one that I reviewed on my channel. Rickowens. Of course, the tote bag. But this one is actually smell like very good. I don't know if they put the scent in it or is it the because of the calf hair dyed process. It really smells very good and smells so new and so fresh. I love this smell of the calf hair sneakers. And again, you have the tote bag in gray. Some papers and invoices. It looks very nice when it was in the box, like I really love how I open the box and then I see that the pair is sitting right in the box. It's so good. This one you can see the shiny part of the hair which make it very special. I love it so much. It almost look like my original black hair, like, but it's actually the calf hair. This one I think maybe it's slightly has less weight than the Mega Bumpers. When I hold it with my one hand, then it doesn't feel that heavy compared to the other one. Let me put it side by side. Like, yeah, this pair, the Mega Bumper, is definitely heavier than this one, the calf hair. So you can decide, like, I'm going to put it on the box and then you will see that which one actually fits better in terms of look. Of course, this pair, the Mega Bumpers, is serving the look better because I think it's also the thick sole is really helping when it comes to visibility, like when people see it from like 5 or 10 meter distance, then they can obviously see that it's different from what you can see in the market, right? Meanwhile, this one, the calf hair sneakers, the normal Ramones, even though it's really nice, very soft touch, but when I put it on my, like when I put it with my look, and if you don't really look close enough, you can barely see that it's actually made of the calf hair, right? So this one, it looks good by itself. I feel that this one, it looks good by itself when it's, when you look close enough, then you will see the detail, which you will cherish it. You will appreciate the detail when you look close enough. But when you step a bit, like maybe like, I don't know, if I stand like, like 5 meters away from these shoes, then it looks like, it looks like the normal Ramones with the normal leather, calf leather, and it doesn't look special. So I have like a thought about that. I don't know what should I do about that actually. I like it, that is special, but at the same time when I try to combine with my outfits, then it doesn't really work as much as the Mega Bumpers does, because this one I didn't expect that it's gonna serve the look better actually, but it does. I'm very surprised. And also the other plus point for the Mega Bumpers is that this is way more comfortable. Like it's way more comfortable than this pair, because I think it has platform and also it gives you more stability when you stand or when you walk. And I was expecting that this one is gonna give me like, a tired legs like when I walk. But I tried to walk around my house, but it didn't feel that bad, like it feels very comfortable. I'm surprised by that still. Like the way they design it, the way Rick designs, and the aesthetic of the shoes, the shape of the shoe, the shape of the sole, everything makes this one way more comfortable. So, and while this one you can see side by side that the calf hair sneakers, the calf hair Ramones is narrower than the Mega Bumpers, especially when it comes to your, the top part of your feet. It's very, I don't know, that's why I decided to have both, because it's so hard for me to make a decision which one I really want to buy. Like maybe they should make this pair of the, sorry, maybe they should really make the Mega Bumpers in the calf hair as well, then it would combine, both. So I really do hope that Rickowens will design the Mega Bumpers with the calf hair. And I know that they have the Geo Basket. Some of the models, like the Geo Basket, has the calf hair versions. But I personally, I don't feel like the Geo Basket would fit me. But I actually never tried, so I don't know. But for now, I think that it doesn't really fit with my style, and it doesn't call, like it doesn't make me feel like I want to buy it. I don't have the desire to buy the geo basket, but for the calf hair skin, it's really calling me, for a long time. But that's always tricky about the fashion. Like you really have to try and then feel it at the moment if it really fits you or not. And also you have to combine with the different style, different outfits. So last night I was trying with my different outfits, for different occasions. And this one somehow fits with, it fits best with the black, total black outfit. And meanwhile, this one also fit with the black outfit and some of my look. Maybe I can put it on my video now. I really hope that this video is helping you all making a decision which one to buy. And if you have any comments, any recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment. And thank you everyone for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you are having a good day. See you. Bye.